Hey, Matt here, and welcome to Mob Street. Now, I just tried to do an unboxing video, tried to go live with this UBCO 2x2 that we've got right here, and my going live skills suck. So, we're going to do this video, and I apologize, I wanted to show you all this, but this is the UBCO 2x2 electric bike. Now, it comes with a 3.1 kilowatt hour amp hour battery. I don't know if that's good or not, but it's got about a 75-mile range with a top speed of 30 miles an hour. So for down here and where I'm going to be taking this bike, it's perfect for stuff like that. And what's cool is UBCO sent me a front rack and a rear rack for this thing. So those are going to go sit like right here. But this is the boxing that the bike came in. And it's not, the great thing about it is it's not overly heavy, because my wife and I actually picked it up out there by the road and carried it up to the driveway. So the two of us were actually able to pick the thing up and bring it over and bring it basically to where it is now. So this is the way it comes though. I wanted to show you this. You know, everything's covered in plastic. It's all boxed up nice. It's well protected. And then the steering, or excuse me, the handlebars are just two 5mm bolts. So you just break those loose a little bit, and they're not overly tight, so it won't take much. But then just adjust it to where it looks pretty straight. I'll do some final adjusting here once we get it off of this boxed pallet. But we'll just tighten that up right there. Tighten this guy up right here. And if my wife wants to come over and help me, we'll lift it off of the box here. So cool thing. I mean, just super simple, super easy design. I like just I mean, it's, as far as like the bike itself goes, it's basic, utilitarian, which, like my beloved TW200s over there, it's basically, I would say, a real slim version, electric version of the TW. So we're gonna pull this off of here.
Which way?
Well, it's not overly heavy, so if you just want to lift that back in, and we'll lift it over here. Why is it stuck? There we go. Just like that. You want to put that kickstand down? There we go. That's pretty simple.
Yeah.
Nice, easy. So yeah, here, let me see that camera there. So thanks to my daughter for videoing this for me. So you've got your license plate bracket, tail light, and I mean, just all this stuff here is just covered in plastic. This is your power plug right here, and this is where you're going to charge it. So it did come obviously with the fast charger right here. So as you can see, it comes with that, and then they sent me the front and the rear rack, like I said, are going to go on this right here. So we are going to finish getting this thing cleaned up. Kiddo, do you want to take the plastic off of the back of that stuff there? Turn signals, LED headlight right there. You still have your cutters on you? Mm-hmm. Yeah, will you grab them? We'll unhook these foot pegs. Now, unlike our TW200, here, come and cut this one, kiddo. Ooh, spring-loaded. Unlike our TW, look at the foot pegs on that thing. Nice and big and thick and somewhat grippy. So those are going to be sweet. We're going to unplug that, or pull that off right there. I'm not going to plug anything in just yet. Going to go through the owner's manual and see what it tells me to do. But just the unboxing of this thing right here. Pretty simple and straightforward. So I'm actually going to ask my wife to come over here again and kind of give us a look at how the seat height is on this thing. I'm gonna ask her to sit on it for us so she can show us the height of the seat.
Ready
Okay,
now?
yep.
Ready?
Go ahead, love. Oh, pull that one off.
Okay, ready?
Look at that. So my wife is 5'4" and touching flat foot.
Yep.
Both sides.
Yep.
So first impression of the seat, how is it?
Comfy. Big.
Poofy?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Feels comfy so far.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, she's going to be in these videos a bit more also. I'm going to have her give her opinions on the whole thing too, and what she thinks and what she likes or dislikes about it. So, I mean, that's a pretty tough looking bike. So, okay. Well then, we're going to finish getting this thing set up, get it all ready to go, look through the owner's manual, see what it says that we need to be doing with it, making sure we're doing it all correctly. So make sure, if you haven't already, to hit like, hit subscribe, and follow along. I'm Matt. This is two more of my family. My wife, Stacy, my kiddo, Vaden. This is Mob Street. Thanks for watching.